Hey guys, welcome back to Review Day. Today we're going to have a look at this Alt air fryer that was sent to me by a company. Actually, I've used it a few times and I'm fairly impressed with it. It's a really nice unit for maybe 1-2 people at the most. And it comes with an air fryer basket and also the grill, so you can do 2 separate things on it. Today we're going to do a burger steak, and we're also going to do some air fried corn ribs, which are absolutely incredible. So stick with me and let me show you how to do this. So what I've got here, guys, is a cob of corn, and I've trimmed the ends off and I've cut it in half. Now if you have a bigger air fryer, I would just leave it whole, but seeing this is just a little guy, I've cut it in half. Now the easiest way to do this is just take your knife and go down the center, something like that. And then take the knife and same thing again. Next up, let's make our yummy delicious coating with about 3 tablespoons of olive oil, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of chili powder, half a teaspoon of paprika, and of course some salt and my all-time favorite ground black pepper. So let's just go ahead and add this in. Squeeze a lime just for good luck and that additional freshness. And we'll just stir this until everything is nicely combined. Now we'll take our handy dandy brush and just coat these corn ribs. I think these are going to be so good, guys. You get lots of coating on there. And don't tell anybody, but I'm going to coat the inside a little bit too. Let's take our corn and put it in the air fryer basket. And remember, this is dinner for 1, so just little guys. And we'll put them corn side down. Something like that. What we got here is the air fryer base. And this is the element. And I'm just going to set the base over the element. Nice beeping. And place the basket on. And that's about all there is to it. Well, of course, except for the lid. Place that over and we're good to go. Just to introduce the features of the air fryer, it's pretty well laid out and simple. You got your time, your temperature, your air grill and your air fry, and that's about it. And this knob will set the time and the temperature, etc., etc. We'll go through this. This is an ALT or an Alt air fryer. It was sent to us by a company, and I think, in my personal humble opinion, it is a fantastic air fryer for 1 person. Okay, to fire this little guy up, it gets a little tricky, so you just hit the button, press the button in, and of course we want air fry. It's going to do the presets, so just let it go with the presets, press it in, and then I'm going to adjust the time back to 20 minutes, time again. Temperature, I'm going to kick that down to 375, and temperature again, and you're all set. It'll flash for a while, but then it'll straighten out. And there's also a quick start that comes with the package, so you can just kind of keep that on hand until you get used to it. And to do a real simple sauce, I'm going to take just some chipotle mayo, and you can buy this in just about any grocery store. And add, I'd say, 2 or 3 tablespoons of that. Squeeze a lemon. And then give this a mix. You can add additional stuff too if you like. And there you go, as simple as it gets. After about 20 minutes, our corn is done, guys, so let's check this out. Remove the lid. And just look at this. It feels as tender as anything, and it smells so good. Wow. I'm just going to set this on a plate, and it's time to dig in. But not yet, because we have another dish to make. And of course we'll just spoon some sauce over the top of this. And garnish this up with some chopped parsley. Oh, doesn't this look beautiful, guys? So cute and elegant. And there you have it, guys, our air fried corn ribs. Absolutely delicious. And guys, cleanup is a breeze here, just with a wet soapy rag and just rinse it off. Or you can put it in the dishwasher too, I guess, but just a breeze, comes out sparkly clean. Now I'm going to eat my corn up with a burger steak, and to make this I'm going to take about a pound of lean ground beef. That's about half a kilo. And season this up with a couple of tablespoons of ketchup. About 2 teaspoons of Worcestershire sauce. Now, I'll put this all in the blog. I've got a blog for this recipe anyway. About half a teaspoon of garlic powder. Now you can use fresh garlic too. And we'll give this some salt. And of course, ground black pepper. Start with my wooden spoon and just kind of chop this up. Then use my hands and just kind of pull this together until everything is beautifully combined. And these make really good burger patties. You know, you can add the ingredients of your choice too. Bit of barbecue sauce, sometimes I even put Tabasco in it. Now I'll grab a chunk of this and just kind of form it into a burger patty. And this is going to give you about 3 good-sized burger patties. And put this aside on a plate. Isn't that a nice looking burger patty? I'm just going to take my thumb and make a little indentation in the center. Kind of a little trick so it doesn't dome up on you. To fry our burger steak up, I'm going to change to the grill. Super easy to do. Just take the other base out, put the grill base on. Then we're going to fire our air grill back up again. So I'm just going to hit the start button. And this time we want not air fry, but air grill. And then just start. And then I'm going to adjust my time. I'm going to say for about 15 minutes. And then the temperature we're going to set to, and I'm going to turn this back to about 400. And I'll put my burger patty on and let this air grill for about 15 minutes. Of course, about halfway through the cooking process, I'm going to give this a flip over. After about 7 minutes on each side, the burger is nicely done. And just look at those nice char marks, guys. I'm just going to take this off the grill. And we'll go ahead and plate this up. Now the burger patties have fried up nicely, or burger steaks. I'm just going to pour some gorgeous, incredibly yummy mushroom gravy over the top. And I have a recipe for this, so I'm going to put a link below, but this is really good gravy. Well worthwhile making. And of course, life wouldn't be the same without garnishing up with some parsley. And there you have it, guys. Our meal is done with our air fryer patties. Alright, my friends, the moment I always love, and that's the taste test. So I'm just going to grab up a piece of this wonderful air fried corn ribs. Guys, these are so good. I know I say that in every video, but these are really good. They've got that grilled smoky taste to them. The chipotle mayo is just great. And they're done to perfection. Especially great for the summertime. You got to make these. Okay, let's cut into these patties and see what we have. And just look at this, guys. Don't they look spectacular? Or this anyway. Wow. Okay. This is so good. I always love the burgers. The mushroom gravy is great on them, just fantastic. Another bite of corn. Guys, this is simply a meal to die for. You gotta make this. The air fryer did a super job. In summary, guys, I'm fairly impressed with the air fryer. It's just great. It fries things up really nicely. Again, I like the features of the air basket and the grill, doing things separately. It's a great idea for Mother's Day. If you're interested in the product, see the description below. I put a link there. So thanks for watching, and see you next time.